my name is Mia. I am an English major and a junior at Stanford. I love writing. That's why I'm studying English. I've always loved creative writing. That's been my passion my whole life. When I was especially coming into college, I really wanted to get a good note-taking app specifically for my classes, but also just for my creative writing. So if I ever had an idea, I could quickly jot it down or record an audio and have everything kind of in one place. So I was just doing my research, came across Notability, and I was like, this is perfect, need this. And it's just been super, super helpful in class. I love just taking handwritten notes, but I also feel like being able to do it on an iPad and have a lot of different functions versus having to get the pencils and the highlighters, and then it's way more efficient, which is really helpful, especially because I sometimes have trouble focusing a little bit. So then it's being able to have everything in one place with the audio also is a really useful tool. And I really want to be a novelist and an author, publishing my books and whatnot, as well as short stories, poetry, anything writing. I've been doing a lot of stuff with my content creation as well as freelance work, editing and whatnot. So I don't really know exactly where it's gonna all go, but we're just going forward. For my creative writing in general, I will think of different ideas and just quickly jot them down, whether it's on my Notability app on my phone or just on the iPad, just getting the idea down, and we'll come to it later to revisit it. I also just love the highlighter. What can I say? That it's helpful for organization, makes me able to see what really matters, because I have a tendency to just write down everything, and I'm not the best at selecting what to write down, but then the highlighter helps me go back and be okay, this is what you really need to know. Notability helps me stay on track with my goals every single day. I believe in every single one of you. You got this, and I will be cheering you on along the way.